Fighter wants fight. Both spin up immediately. We got 2 more combos. We're going to see some big hits just like that.
Come on, Dill. Go for a tire, baby.
Ooh. This one's over. Oh. He's still upside down. Scalar's doing some hard hits in there. Oh, those meters of Scrapper. We got an unstatement here.
Yeah, they're gonna.
All right.
What are they doing?
Scalar changing it down.
A little bit. Another roll and a long roll. Yeah. You're Nate, leave him alone.
Come to the side. What do you mean it's not like this? There we go. Alright, we get that stick back. Close the back so. Yeah, we'll start right here. Alright. Billy's ready. Let's start back in. 3, 2, 1. Resume the fight. Scalar turns it back on, gets the sparks flying.
Come on, Dill.
Scrapper's drop away. Flying off. Ooh, Scalar's bullying Scrapper right here. Oh, there's another big hit. Some chunks flying off. Scrapper gets scrapped. Oh, he flipped over.
Come on, baby boy.
Ooh, that's good little splash right there. Scalar flipped over. Oh, well, we got a count out. Count out. That's a knockout. The winner